Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 10th of June, Monday. This is a weekly analytical review of the financial market from LiteForex. The pair Euro-US dollar. Last week, the pair traded in the ascending trend. On Thursday, the price reached the highest since February at the level of 1.3302. Logically, it was followed by a downward correction. It is expected that this week the price will continue to go up to the levels of 1.3355 and 1.3430. Slight downward correction to the level of 1.3150 may take place, but after that the price will resume growth. Technical indicators confirm possibility of the ascending movement in price. Bollinger Bands indicator demonstrates divergence of the lines confirming uptrend. MACD histogram is in the overbought zone and its volumes are increasing. However, scholastic lines are forming a sell signal, indicating a change of downward correction. In general, during this week, it is advisable to open long positions. Similar situation is for the pair Great Britain pound dollar United States. Last week the pair grew up, reaching the highest since February, and after that it is experienced correction. It is likely that during this week upward movement will continue up to the levels of 1.5760 and 1.5870. Downward correction may reach the level of 1.5400. In general, opening long positions is recommended for this pair as well. The pair United States dollar yen continued to trade in the downward trend last week, and on Friday the pair fell to the 2-month lows at the level of 95.00. However, on the same day, positive data from American labor market helped the pair shift to ascending correction and regain some of the losses. This week, upward correction may continue up to the level of 99.50. However, it is most likely that the price will go down to the level of 96.10, 95.00 and 93.70. A chance of downward correction is also confirmed by technical indicators. Bollinger Bands demonstrates divergence, indicating downtrend. MACD histogram is on the oversold zone and its volumes continue to increase. Therefore, it is advisable to open short positions. Gold at the opening session is decreasing in price. On Monday, the price has reached 2-week lows at the level of 1376.00. Quotes of precious metal are under pressure of strong macroeconomic data on American economy. It is likely that this week the price will continue to grow down to 1360.00 or probably up to 1340.00. The level of 1350.00 corresponds to the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands indicator, which demonstrates consolidation of the lines prior to continuation of the downward trend. MACD histogram is on the oversold zone and its volumes are increasing. Scholastic lines are directed downward. Crude oil BRENT has been trading in the range of 100.00 to 105.00 United States dollar per barrel for 7 weeks. During last week, Brent increased in price, reaching the top limit of the range. It is expected that this week the price will go down to the level of 102.70 or up to 100.00. Technical indicators demonstrate a chance of downward movement in price. The price chart has pushed away from the upper line of the Bollinger Bands indicator and is tending towards the moving average line near 102.70. Scholastic lines are in the overbought zone. They may intersect soon and go down, giving a signal of downward movement in price. This week, attention should be focused on the events around Syria and on the data of the United States oil reserves, and this news may trigger significant movement in the oil market. That's all for now. We wish you success in trading. This was LiteForex Company.